Another thing that truly makes this campus so special is a sense of community. Many of the students you heard from yesterday also shared with us that they're following in their family's footsteps.
One thing is that my family, like pretty much my whole family all went to Cage.
Oh.
Like even the old Cage, they all went there.
Very nice.
So that's why I was here, and it brings back so many memories where we go back to those halls.
That's really cool. So are you the last one in your family coming to this school?
Probably not. Probably we might bring our kids there.
Oh, there you go. Okay, I love that. You're so young and you're already thinking of the next generation. I love that. Very nice. Do you have any family that come here or that came here before you?
Yeah, my brother, he came here for a couple of years, not the whole entire elementary. But when he was here, it reminded me of him a bunch.
Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. How about you?
Yes, I had two brothers and two sisters, and they all came here, and all the teachers were so sweet and so kind. And like once we were out of school, they would always come and like pick me up or my siblings, and it was always like fun because the teachers would always say bye and always have a smile on their face, even if they're going through something.
And it's not just the students with these family connections. The school's assistant principal, Krystal Garcia, has a long history with the school that started when she was just barely a student there.
I was a student here for about, pre-K all the way to 5th grade. And then I had the honor to come back as a teacher. And then now I'm serving the community as an assistant principal. So it's very much like a full circle moment for me.
I would imagine it's a little surreal. You know, you're probably seeing a lot of
It
people
is
you
a
went
little
to school
surreal,
with.
yeah. So a lot of the teachers that I had once I was in elementary are now my coworkers. So it's a little bit of a adjustment that I had to make, but I was so welcomed as an assistant principal. I feel like I made the teachers proud because they poured into me all this learning and they shaped who I am. And now me coming from Cage and then serving the community as a school leader, it has been an honor for most of those teachers who are still here and they were once my teachers.